Hi, Leah here. I was wondering if I don't have enough money for a down payment, can I split that with somebody? Do you have that option with your company? Thanks.
Thank you, Leah. Well, yeah, that's something that we get an awful lot with our clients at Morris Invest is that someone doesn't have the $45,000 down to buy a new construction rental property. So they feel like, oh, I can't do anything. I'm out of the game. I can't start investing because I just don't have that down payment money. One of the programs that we offer internally is our partnership program. And there are maybe 3 or 4 families that want to get together. They each have $10,000 and they're able to pool that money as a down payment option. They form an LLC together, and our team can help you do this. Form an LLC together, and then you now are each able to come to the table with 10,000 down. You're able to go in as an LLC and buy this rental property together, and now you all are getting an equal share of this equity and cash flow. It's a great way to not have to come out of pocket fully. We've over the years worked with a number of young husbands who they've just had a child on the way, and they said, we've got to do something. We're working a 9-to-5 job. We've got to break out of this. How can we start investing in real estate? But maybe we don't each have $20,000, or maybe we don't each have the $40,000 to come to the table for a down payment on a really good rental property. So why don't we pool our resources? Let's form an LLC. Let's take an equal ownership in this structure. We each get the cash flow. We get the tax benefits of owning this property, split as an LLC, and we don't have to come to the table with as much money. And then, of course, you're financing the rest. So, Leah, that's a great solution, is to try to partner up with maybe some folks from your local real estate meetups, maybe some friends, family who want to get it started in real estate investing. You can absolutely do that using a partnership approach and forming an LLC. And then you can also use non-recourse financing because it's tied to an LLC, and you're able to then have the asset provide the value to the bank and not have to worry about your own personal credit as well using non-recourse financing. So where there is a will, there is a way in real estate investing. And remember, most of the biggest real estate investors I know started with none of their own money. They started with nothing. And they were able to either borrow money from a friend or partner with a friend, or, Robert Kiyosaki bought his first property using a credit card in Hawaii. So where there's a will, there's a way in real estate investing. Any other questions anyone has, you can always leave us a voicemail question here. Try to keep them to about 30 seconds. Just go to morrisinvest.com/Clayton. Leave us your questions and I will try to provide some answers. Now go out there and take action. Become a real estate investor. I believe it's the #1 way to build wealth and to preserve wealth. Take care, everyone.